Hey guys, welcome back to another Sorted George. On the menu now is this. It's a 1972 Chrysler Newport Royale. Well, we bought this beast about 2 months ago off of Tinternet from Virginia Beach. Shipped it over via roll-on, roll-off. Yeah, she's a driver. She's on a mate's driveway at the moment because the garage is a building site at the moment. What we're doing, we're going to have a complete roller shutter on that end, and this end here is going to be extended out just a little bit. As you can see, it's just started, so we're having an extra bit put onto the garage. So we'll have to sit here for a bit until the garage is complete. So yeah, we went down the other day and picked it up from the docks. A little bit of footage for you now. Right, we're here again, Southampton docks, ready to pick up the Newport, 72 Newport. Let's see what she's like coming across. Well, I've just heard it. Here she comes. Oh yes. They've obviously popped the bonnet to do the, what's the name? She sounds lovely. Well, she's on, just about, as you can see. Right, that's the worst bit there. Once the lower outer, the inner panel's quite solid actually, it's just the outside. That's good. Lovely old girl, isn't it? She sounds gorgeous. And then this side, just a tiny weeny bit there. There's a line here where it's been cuffed. TLC mush, it is what it is. Yeah, free bird shit as well. I'll do another one when I get home, but she's straight. Lovely. Quality. They left me the front number plate, bless them, good. That's cool. What's that? Last on the road 17. So it's only been off the road 4 years, that's good. Grill's perfect. Comes with a 400 cubic inch, which sounds like this. Looks like we got a few new parts going on, or has done in the past. We got a new alternator. It's had a service quite recently, a few thousand miles on it, but 400 cubic inch, like I say. It's got headers on it, electronic ignition over there over the back. Still got all the air compressor and everything else in it. The intercooler thing as well. She's a solid old girl. I'm pleased with this one. So this is what we're going to be playing with once the garage is done. Interior's all here, obviously apart from the headliner, but that's easily replaced. Literally we've got original radio, aircon, I don't know what the mileage, oh there you go, 70,000 miles, and it looks like that's original as well. Right, let's turn the ignition on, and let's try, oh good, that's good, 2, 3, yeah, there you go, and park. That's great. Does the washer work? Oh, something's I can hear something outside splashing about, so I think the pump works, but yeah, there you go. Yeah, there it is there, look, it's having a whittle. So the pump works. It's obviously not connected up here somewhere. Well, at least we know the wipers work, so that's good. I have to trace the hose here, that one. Oh yeah, there you go, look. That's the end. Instead of going up there, we'll sort that as well. Right, well, there you go. This is just a bit of dirt. That's all cleaned up. I just literally just wet my finger, so that's going to clean up nice. There's an aftermarket stereo in here as well. Glove box door is missing, but I do have a load of spares in the back, which is good. Inlet manifold, I've got power steering pump, another set of lights from a different car, whether it's a New Yorker, I'm not sure, might be a Cadillac, I don't know, but they're the same shape. They might be from a 71 or something, I don't know. But yeah, there's a load of stuff in here, and I'll tell you what I did find in here as well was the original dealer badge as well, which stuck on there. So yeah, that wants to clean up. Plenty of bits and bobs in here. There's a starter motor, yeah, loads of stuff in here, window cranks. So you never know, the glove box door might be in there. Another radiator in there as well, that's cool. There's 2 jacks, spare tyre, another set of hubcaps, loads of stuff. Well pleased with this. Seeing as we're here, let's have a look around the edge. Looks nice and strong. Bit of scabbing over there. Sorry about the light, there's not a lot I can do about that unfortunately, because obviously I'm outside and not in a garage, but all this lot is nice and solid all the way up. I'm trying to keep the sunlight out so that you can see what's going on. There you go, up under there. Oh, we've even got a boot light. How about that? Haha, sorted, George. Bang and mush. Yeah, she's a solid one. Boot lip. Another solid Chrysler. We've sorted, George. Let's have a look underneath the doors as well, shall we? Doors. Now we've done the boot. The doors are nice and solid, so that's good. Hopefully we can see that all right. Very solid, no rust at all. Look at it, it's lovely, solid, well pleased. Well pleased. Look at that, it's lovely. Isn't it? Fab. The little B post is solid as well. Look at that, eh? Lovely. Well solid. Well good. Seals are nice. Up the A post, it's all nice. It's all good. Another little wasp nest there if you want it. There you go. Down underneath here. What's this one like? That's come out. But where are we? Try and get the light out. There you go. Still got the Chrysler door sticker there. Lovely. Even the floors are absolutely solid. Show me about the carpet, but never mind. This is what it's like, absolutely solid. Yeah, the carpet's seen better days, but never mind. Let's see if we can get up underneath and have a look. I don't know whether we can see anything. Not a lot. New exhaust system. Fairly new anyway. Twin system all the way through. Look like glass packs. Yeah, you can see the floor is solid. Tell you what, let's put my flash on. That's better. See what we're doing. Very nice. Very solid. Very solid. Well pleased. Lovely. Look at that. Oh, we've got a little bit of rot there, bottom of the wing. Didn't see that. Ah, that's not too bad. A little patch. Let's go and have a look on the other side. Out the back. Yeah, she's solid. Well pleased. Like I say, I want to get back when she gets in the garage. I'll be able to jack it up and have a look. There's the seals. Solid all the way along. Sorry about the poor camera work, but I'm laid on the floor upside down. Yeah, well pleased. She's solid. At the front. Lovely. Brilliant. This side. Passenger side. Same again. Solid. Solid as a rock. Underneath. Underneath here. Lovely. Under the doors. Now, well pleased. There you go. B post is solid as well. Same again under it. It's all lovely and solid. Underneath the door, so I can see. There you go. There you go. Sorry, George. Lovely. Our 1972 Chrysler Newport. That's the next project. So bear with me for a couple of weeks while the garage is being rebuilt, and then we can get this lady in and start having a tinker. Sorted, George.